Let's make steak and truffle pasta para mamu feel sa bahay. Hey friends, let's cook steak for the first time. We're cooking this USDA Premium Angus Higher Choice Grade Ribeye from Steak Haven. For this Christmas season, it's just 2,149 pesos per kilo, mga 2 slices na yon. In fairness, ang ganda ng marbling niya. Mga 1 inch thick, around 450 grams per slice. Dry natin mabuti, then season generously with salt and pepper. Tapos prepare na rin natin in advance yung thyme, garlic, and butter for basting later. Gagamit tayo ng stainless steel pan, pero mas maganda pa daw ang cast iron or carbon steel if meron kayo. Around medium to medium high heat, painitin natin yung pan, add some high smoke point oil, grapeseed oil ang gamit ko. Pag may konting smoke na, lagay na natin yung steak. Gumamit ako nitong burger press for some weight para magka-cross talaga siya. After 2 minutes, flip it, then burger press ulit and add the basting ingredients. After 1 minute, baste na natin yung steak for another minute. Checking lang kung okay na.